Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. Today you will learn how to say thank you and you are welcome in Chinese. This video also shows you how to pronounce, understand and memorize the Chinese characters for thank you and you are welcome with smart visual memory tips. Let's start.
谢谢，
不客气，
谢谢你，
不客气。
The first one is 谢谢 means thanks. Say it with me. 谢谢 Again, 谢谢 If you want to sound more sincere, say 谢谢你 means thank you. Say it with me. 谢谢你 Again, 谢谢你 In English, thanks and thank you may mean the same. However, in Chinese, 谢谢 and 谢谢你 don't sound the same. And if you want to show extra respect, especially to elders or teachers, say 谢谢您 using a more polite version of you. Say it with me. 谢谢您 Again, 谢谢您 If you want to learn more about the use of 您, I've got another video on that. Check the comment section. I will leave the link there. Now let's look at the character breakdown. 谢 is combined by two parts, speech radical plus 射 to shoot, while 射 can be further divided into another two parts, 身 and 寸. 身 means body. In ancient times, people used their bodies to aim when shooting arrows. This part relates to the action. 寸 means an inch or a small amount, relating to action and measurement. In classical Chinese, 寸 often represents the hand or a precise action, like measuring or controlling, similar to shooting an arrow carefully. Think of it like this. A person, 身 using precise control, 寸 to shoot, let's 射. Then arrows shot from a speech bubble are like sending thanks like arrows. If people say 谢谢你 to you, how should you respond? Some of you may know it's 不客气, meaning you are welcome. Say it with me. 不客气 Again, 不客气 Let's break down the characters. 不 Please remember, there is one line on each side, just like you are waving your hands widely to tell people no. 客 means guest, literally. It's formed by roof plus 个. The character 个 combines motion, 指, and 口. 指 means walking down to a place. 口 means mouth. So it means the mouth of your house, which is the entrance of your house. So 客 means a guest walking to your doorways under your roof. 气 means air. It captures the abstract concept of social energy, making it ideal to describe the unspoken rules of politeness. 气 originated in Oracle-born script as 3 horizontal lines, meaning flowing air, mist, or vapor. Imagine the 3 lines as flowing mist over a river, intangible yet ever present. This mirrors how qi represents both physical air and abstract energy. What do these two characters have to do with politeness? 客气 means being polite. Imagine a guest bringing polite air into a room, therefore reply to 谢谢 with 不客气. No need to be so polite. Make yourself at home. Now let's do some practice.
谢谢，
不客气，
谢谢你，
不客气。
Now let's practice writing the characters. 谢谢谢谢 谢谢。不客气。Today you've learned 2 useful expressions for good manners in Chinese. Well done! If you want to learn how to greet like a Chinese native speaker, please click on the video on the bottom left. Do you know what Chinese people also say instead of 不客气? Please share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. 再见!